I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering your modem and booster and connecting one Ethernet cable. This ensures a wired backhaul if available. Once done, log into the booster's setup page using the printed default admin credentials because initial pairing often needs direct access. Make sure to check firmware version now, since an update fixes compatibility problems. Also verify placement. Place the booster about halfway between the modem and the weak signal area, avoiding thick walls and appliances that create interference. Next, choose the correct operating mode. Pick access point for a wired Ethernet link or repeater if no cable is available, because each mode affects speed and latency. Then configure SSID and password. Either clone your router's SSID for seamless roaming or create distinct names to control devices. Make sure to set 4 GHz for range and 5 GHz for speed, and change channels to avoid congestion, since picking a clear channel reduces packet loss and improves. Finally, validate performance. Run speed tests in the boosted area and compare results to your baseline, because that confirms effective coverage. Once settings are saved, reboot the modem and booster, and then reconnect your devices to clear caches. If you still see dropouts, try one key troubleshooting tip. Move the booster 2 meters higher or sideways, and, if necessary, factory reset and reapply firmware updates. This resolves most interference and configuration conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.